Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glenneceria's Place, Tiffany-inspired home decor, all things Tiffany and Company. Welcome, how are you today? We have an unboxing today of Tiffany and Company. I'm excited. So let's get into this video. But before we get into this video, how is everyone doing today? I hope you're doing great. I'm doing wonderful, and I'm so happy to be with you today. So come on, let's get into this video and find out what did Glenneceria's Place order. Come on. All right, so we have our beautiful Tiffany blue shopping bag. I'm just gonna pull everything up, put our bag over to the side. We have the tissue paper with the seal that's embossed and says Tiffany and Co. Absolutely beautiful. New York. Can't see because of the light, but it's beautiful. So I'm not gonna open it this way. I'm gonna just slide the box out. Ta-da! Tissue paper. That's our box. Our blue box with the famous white satin ribbon, right? Okay. I have my receipt here. It's my receipt. That over to the side. And then I have a gift card, a note that I sent to myself. It was very easy to order online. Steps were very simple. They send you a confirmation when your order is going to be shipped out and when you place your order. Very detailed, very nice. It comes UPS. My box came UPS. What else? Very fast. The shipping was fast. Maybe 4 days. Very fast. So here's the envelope. It's just a plain envelope. There's nothing on it. And here's the note card. You can't see it, but it's embossed Tiffany and Co. right at the bottom. And here's my note to myself. And it reads, "Do not become upset by people, places, or things. Your reaction is their only power. Love always, Glennceria, 2021. Early Christmas gift for myself." All right, so let's open it up. Let's open it up. Okay, here's the ribbon. Box. Do you think you know what it is? Want to guess what it is? What do you think it is? Let's see. On the tissue paper, it also has Tiffany and Co. written all on it. Oh, this is absolutely, and as you can see, I'm seeing these things for the first time as well. Of course, I ordered them, but I haven't opened them. So this is the first time I get a chance to actually see it in person myself because I ordered this online, and this was my second purchase from ordering online for the first time from Tiffany and Company. Oh, so this is beautiful. So do you see what it is? This is the 2021 pocket or purse diary, which I love. Oh, yeah, this is beautiful. So look at there. Absolutely beautiful. Has the silver edging of the paper. It says right here, Tiffany and Co. Let me get it a little closer so you can see. Look how beautiful that is. Absolutely beautiful. And also, it's embossed Tiffany & Co. right there. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Absolutely nice. So what do we have in here? We have the holidays written out for us. First page says 2021, Tiffany & Co. So this gives you a chance to look at it. Gives you the whole calendar for the year 2021. The holidays, official holidays that are observed. Calendar for 2020, calendar for 2021, and also a calendar for 2022. Very nice. And then it starts January 2021. Absolutely beautiful. And it gives you space to write. And I believe there's a rip there. There you go. There you go. You do have one. And of course, it's white. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So, we have the tissue paper. You have the sticker. You have Tiffany's logo. We have Tiffany's blue box. Tiffany's famous blue box, right? Absolutely. I'm very happy with this. I believe this is 3 inches by 5 inches. And this is the small one. They have a larger one, I believe. The price I paid for this, I want to say $65, but if I'm wrong, can someone correct me down at the comments down below? I would appreciate that. I believe the larger one is $115 and this one is $65. Bought from www.tiffanyandco.com online. Fast shipment, beautiful box, came with shopping bag in box. No complimentary gifts in any of the online orders so far. Complimentary free gift, that is. I love it. Absolutely love it. And what I love about, oh, you also have just regular line sheet papers also in the back, which I appreciate that. To jot down quick notes. But what I like about it, that it's nice and small enough to fit right in your bag. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. And it also gives you names and you can place numbers. And that's enough ample amount of space for you to jot down something real quick if you need be. Okay? With that beautiful silver embossing. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. Love it, love it. Isn't it absolutely beautiful? Let's go over our affirmation, manifesting money in our life, and our affirmation for today and for the rest of this week is, I attract lots of money to me. Let's say that again. I attract lots of money to me. Beautiful. 2021 Diary Planner, Tiffany & Co. Online purchase. Have a good day. Love you all. Glennceria Place, and I see you in the next video. Have a great Wednesday, and I see you Friday. Enjoy your day now. Bye for now. Bye-bye.